Namaste viewers and listeners, myself Dr. Brahmdas Sharma, Associate Professor Kumar Bhitya, Shri Sirdi Sai Baba Ayurvedic College, Rainwal, Jaipur. Today I am going to talk about Turner syndrome, a syndrome related to girl child. Turner syndrome is a chromosomal condition related to X chromosome that alters development in females. Dr. Henry Turner, who was endocrinologist, discovered it in 1938. It occurs in approximately 1 of every 2000 to 2500 live female birth and approximately 10% of all miscarriages, because due to Turner syndrome, spontaneous abortion is happen. When we see its etiology, Turner syndrome is typically caused by non-disjunction. We have seen in Down syndrome also. A pair of sex chromosome fail to separate during the formation of an egg or an sperm cell, so that embryo may end up missing one of the sex chromosome. In this picture we can see the sperm cell have 22 chromosome and egg cell 23 chromosome, so there is monosomy, that is less one sex chromosome. The number is 45. Types. The most common type is X chromosome with monosomy. We can say it 45XO or 45X only, or 45X ring chromosome. It is found 50% cases and shows classical symptoms. In this, each cell in the individual's body has only the one copy of X chromosome, other is missing. Next type is X chromosome mosaicism. In this, both cell line 46XX and 45XO is present in same person. It is found 30% cases. Missing the X chromosome in some of their cells. Girls with this pattern may have fewer symptoms because they still have some normal XX cells. Next is X chromosome defect. It is found in 20% cases. Both X chromosomes are present, but one is at abnormal shape and size, so abnormal features related to X chromosome is there. Next is Y chromosome material. Some cells have one copy of X chromosome and other have one copy of X and some Y material. So some Y material features may be there, like gonadoblastoma. Clinical features. We can assess them at different age level. When we see at birth, there is lymphedema, especially in the dorsum of hand and feet. You can see in this picture the edema of hand and feet. There is skin folds over the neck. It is also called webbed neck. Other conditions like hydrops and cystic hygroma are seen in utero and may present in neonates. What is hydrops fetalis, or we can say hydrops? There is fluid accumulation in the body. And cystic hygroma, there is blockage in lymphatic system, usually near the neck. Next, at the childhood level, there is triangular face and small mandible. You can see in this picture, and also narrow and high arch palate. There is anti-mongoloid slant. This is opposite to Down syndrome. low set ears, short webbed neck, skin folds over the neck, low posterior hairline. There is normal mental development, but some may have problem in maths. There may be found cardiac anomalies like coarctation of aorta, or we can say obstruction in aorta. Next, in childhood period, there is broad chest, or we can say shielded chest, widely spaced and hypoplastic nipples, less developed nipples, and gap between two nipples is more. Next condition is cubitus valgus. What is this? Increased carrying angle at elbow. So there is difficulty in weight bearing. There is short fourth metacarpal and metatarsal. It is found in X-ray. Renal tract anomalies like horseshoe shaped kidneys. There is pigmentary nevi, brown color patches over all body, small and narrow nails, and there may be turned nails in Turner syndrome. Next is at pubertal level. There is short stature. It begins after 5 years. Till 5 years it is almost common with other child. The maximum height of these females is 145 centimeter. There is primary amenorrhea, no menstrual cycle is there. Failure to develop secondary sexual organs like breast and hairs due to hormonal disbalance. Streak gonads in ultrasonography. Gonads are almost absent or not fully developed in this case. Hypertension and osteoporosis in later stage. There is scoliosis in 10% case, the lateral bending of vertebral column. Hypothyroid and diabetes is also there. Stress and emotional deprivation in adolescents girls is there. Infertility, it is the main characteristic feature. The two features, that is short stature and infertility, are characteristic features. They will always found in case of Turner syndrome. Next is diagnosis. We can diagnose at prenatal level by chorionic villi sampling, amniocentesis, and USG for signs of underdevelopment we discussed in last slide. Through these sampling we can do karyotype. In karyotype we can see the absence of one X chromosome. After birth, about half of the cases within the first few months of a girl life by the characteristic features symptoms like lymphedema of feet and hand, webbed neck we discuss. In pubertal age, less secondary sexual development and physical growth is indicative of Turner syndrome. In case of suspected Turner syndrome, a blood sample can be used to make a karyotype for final diagnosis. In treatment, as we seen in Down syndrome, genetic counseling of couple who are preparing to have babies may begin with a prenatal diagnosis. Health monitoring for blood pressure, echo cardiac anomalies, TSH for hypothyroidism, height, audiometry is necessary. Next important thing is hormonal therapy, cyclic estrogen and progesterone. It start after 12 years of age. In this, ethinyl estradiol 5 to 10 microgram per day for 3 years, then increase it to 20 to 50 microgram per day, or we can give conjugated estrogen 0.3 mg per day, increase it to 0.625 to 1.25 mg per day. Growth hormone therapy for proper height and physical characteristic development 0.1 to 0.15 unit per kg per day we can give. Low dose of androgens to increase height and encourage hair and muscle growth. Babies born with the heart murmur or narrowing of the aorta may need surgery. Prophylactic gonadotrectomy in case of Turner syndrome with Y chromosome due to gonadoblastoma. These cases are rare. Almost all women are infertile, but pregnancy with donor's embryo by technique IVF may be possible. Appropriate medical treatment and support allow a woman with Turner syndrome to lead a normal and healthy, happy life. Who is she? She is Linda Hunt, a Hollywood actress, very famous. So I want to say this: Turner syndrome cannot mask the potentiality of a children. They need a specific direction for their life. Thank you very much.